Are you puzzled about whether curd is heating or cooling in nature? Let's clear up the confusion. So curd, everyone's favorite. But is it hot or cold for our bodies? Let's break it down. According to Ayurveda, foods are either cooling or heating. Curd is called guru, which means heavy to digest, and amla, which means sour. Now what does that mean for its nature? Plain curd, generally cooling. Fresh curd, even more cooling. Sour curd can generate heat and cause acidity. Curd with sugar? Super cooling. Curd at night? Might cause mucus and isn't great for digestion. So the nature of curd really depends on how you eat it. From a scientific view, curd has lactic acid, great for your gut health. It's cooling for the stomach but can cause heat if left to ferment too long. And watch out for mixing it with hot, spicy foods. So what's the verdict? Curd is naturally cooling, especially when fresh. But if it's sour or consumed the wrong way, it can create heat. Best way? Eat it fresh, with some sugar or as refreshing buttermilk. Now that you know the truth, how do you eat curd? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.